Metal kids, we're going to do a metal close-up here of the Lord Bane Mustang. He helped me with some printed parts before I had access to a printer, and so I built him a custom car. And this is what he asked for, flat black with the neon green. This actually does glow in the dark, as you may have seen in the picture. If not, we'll try to post that picture up in the video for you to check out. And then neon green with the white interior on the roll cage. And the details in there are really nice on the driver and the gear shift and all that stuff. Let's bring it back around here and we'll try to get a little bit of dust on it there. You can see the radio knobs, steering wheel, gear shift, button assembly, driver's gloves and all that, and yeah, that detail, and the fire extinguisher. And there's a little roll cage detail there. The tires are really nice with the Goodyear and the torque thrust mags. Looks really good. Used a chrome paint pen for the bumpers. Just needs a Carson chip and it'll go. So anyway, so there's the Lord Bane custom Mustang. I thought you guys might want to see a closer look at it. Happy Friday. I hope you guys are well. See you guys Monday for the Ramble.